Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what mouse damage looks like in the plant seedling trays. Here's a clip from the show. Alrighty, so we're going to get started with these plants. I have a little show and tell for you. We have had a mouse here in the greenhouse. I don't know, for a while we've had some issues, and I want to show you what that looks like and kind of show you what we're doing to work with that. So first I want to show you this tray, and this was a tray of peas. When I planted it, it was sown flat, and as you can see, there's been a lot of digging in here. There's little holes. This is the work of a mouse, and they are eating, they mostly eat the seeds. So like this one, they ate the seed off of the sprout, but left the sprout there because they're mostly seed eaters. So this is an indication that I still have a mouse here and need to deal with it. Another indication was my broccoli. Now this is broccoli not for this garden but for another project. So I planted these trays, let's see, and I got really bad germination, and I'm like, what's going on? This one and this one. So because I didn't see them coming up very well, I went ahead and replanted again. So this is the next batch here, and as you can see, we got the telltale little digging signs. They didn't get all the seeds, but there again, it's like, do I have low germination? Do I have a mouse? What's going on? So something's not right. That one, this one, they really nailed. There's, like I said, the low spots, and then there are a few seeds coming up. So then I decided, well, I need to make sure that it's a mouse, and so I went ahead and I'm doing a germination test on these seeds. And I just started this a couple days ago, but if you look right here, this one's germinating, that one's germinating, that one's starting. So that actually gives me some relief to know that it's not my seeds, that I do have a rodent in here and a little bit of a problem. So what I'm going to do, because I'm going to outsmart this mouse, is I'm going to go ahead and germinate these in the paper towel, and then I'm going to transplant these into a pot. So I'm germinating in the house where the mouse can't get to these, and then next week I can show you guys these next week. They should be about ready to transplant. So when you have something, you need to be a little bit of a detective to figure out what's going on. So my thought of mouse. Now, this tray here, this is our squash, our pumpkins, our basil, and our cucumbers. And I accidentally left this in here overnight. I was going to take it to the house because I wanted the warmer nights, but I left it in here and I came back and the whole thing was dug up. And I'm like, oh no. I don't know how many seeds I lost. So what I did a couple days ago is I replanted the whole thing, every single seed. So there may be, I don't know, 8 coming up in the pot or 4 or whatever. But this is all replanted, and I just brought this from the house. I'm taking it back to the house. I want to germinate it in there. Once the plants are up and going, the mouse usually leaves them alone. The mouse is after the seed, and so once the seed is turned into a plant, we typically don't get as much trouble. So yeah, I'm going to take these back to the house. I can bring them back out next week and show you guys, but I don't trust this space currently for seeds. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.